everybody, my name is Carly and I will be your tour guide for the evening. I hope you enjoy your ride on the Big Red Double Decker.
Excuse me, my name's Cassidy, I'm from America. Will you please point out the landforms along the way?
Yes, of course I will. But I'll also be including the major bodies of water and major cities. If you don't already know that here in UK we're covered with a temperate deciduous biome as well as some taiga areas. The UK consists of Wales, Northern Ireland, Scotland and of course England. Now let's begin our beautiful journey.
So aren't we starting our journey in the capital of England, London, right? I can tell because I can see the Big Ben a couple of blocks away.
Yes, everybody, if you look here to the left, in the distance, you can see Big Ben, the big red building. It is a clock that chimes upon the hour. Now we're exiting the city. As you see, it's becoming more rural, and if you look here and here, you'll see the Pyrenees and the Caspian Mountains.
Aren't those the rolling hills called Chariot? Is that correct? The Stonehenge stone circle.
3 hours pass by. Yes and yes. Okay, now all these bodies of water you're passing and we're seeing and we're just, the one here up to the north is the North Sea. And here we are passing directly by is the Celtic Sea.
Isn't Bradford located near the Celtic Sea, or is that another major city I'm thinking about?
Well, actually that's Liverpool, but that's a common mistake, so don't worry about it. Now we are coming upon Manchester, which is the end of our beautiful tour today.
That was a good 3 hours. I really learned a lot.
What are you doing?
You filthy British people! Ha!
Oh my gosh, we had a beautiful tour until she had to ruin it.
You want to hear about the UK? They say, hey.
Hey!
I'm going to tell you about the UK religions, about how they are mostly Christian. The main types are Angelicism, Roman Catholic, Orthodox, and Pentecostal. Why is Carly so hostile? Also, languages are English, French, and Greek. Have you ever been to the Penny's Peak? Now let's talk about English foods. They include roast beef, chicken tikka, and of course fish and chips. They like to put pudding on their lips. They have normal music just like us, but they also have folk music. What a fuss. Want to know some fun facts about the UK? The police only carry guns in emergencies. They have the world's largest financial center. David Beckham was born and raised in England. Now what about that famous boy band, One Direction? Now we're going to finish with a classic, Romeo and Juliet's Arthur William Shakespeare. Boom.
The general weather conditions in the UK is mild with average temperatures not much lower than 0 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter, and not much higher than 32 degrees Celsius, which is 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. The UK is damp and has frequent changes which aren't easily predicted. The climate affects the country by the food they eat and the water they drink. Also, farming and crops are affected by the climate. The climate is a reason for so much tourism and the population of citizens. England is a leader in the chemical and pharmaceutical sectors and also in technical industries such as aerospace, the arms industry, and the manufacturing software industry. 67% of the land is used for agriculture in rural areas. 20% of the land is used for housing, and 13% is urban areas. Yeah.
Some of the major events in England are in 1215, King John signed the Magna Carta, which gave the citizens basic rights. In 1348, bubonic plague started and it wiped out a third of the population. In 1509 to 1603, Reformation happened, which split the church and started the Protestants. And in 1776, they lost the Revolutionary War, making America its own country. In 1918, they won World War I. In 1945, they won World War II. In 1997, Princess Diana died. They became a country in 1066 when William the Conqueror sailed across the English Channel. They have a constitutional monarchy, which is when a king is a figurehead pretty much, and Parliament and Prime Minister make all the decisions. Their economy includes the natural resources, which are coal, petroleum, natural gas, zinc, tin, limestone, iron ore, salt, slate, clay, chalk, lead, silica, and good arable land. Their currency is the pound, and £1 equals 1.53 US dollars.